flex. They waiting on my new shit to drop. Where the fuck the toilet at? Sleeping on me crazy shit. Y'all thought I wasn't gon' double back. This life shit here amazing. I'm thanking God for where the fuck I'm at. Don't call if it ain't bout the rats. I don't fuck with all that chitter chat.
Okay, loves, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Let me know what y'all want to see for the next Watch Me Work. Yeah, I enjoyed doing this. And also comment what was your favorite style. Which one you liked. We're on the road to 500 subscribers. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. So I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace, love, and dopeness. Hey loves, I'm back with another Watch Me Work, and today I'm going to be showing you guys 12 lock styles that you can do with your fox locks. I am about to take my locks out, so I wanted to go ahead and show some styles that can be done. For style 1, I just have my hair out, just laid flat, straight, you know, regular schmegula. The next style that I'm going to be doing is just basically taking 2 sections from the front of my hair and just looping it as if I would be tying a shoe or something, or tying a lace or ribbon, but not tying it in a knot. This one of my quick on the go. I love doing this style a lot with my locks. This style right here is one of my favorite lock styles to do. I'm taking a section from the top of my head and I'm just basically scrunching the hair up kind of, but not putting all the hair through the ponytail, and just stacking it with elastics. Just putting one elastic on and then putting another one on top. As you can see, I put one on there and then I'm gonna stack the next one. You can use rubber bands, but I would prefer to use these because rubber bands can be tangly. But I did use rubber bands for like if I wanted to make different shapes with the hairstyle. But overall, I still like the way this came out too. I don't always use rubber bands, but I do love this style. I did this style so many times with having my locks. I like to call this the little clove leaf style. I don't know. It's just so cute. It just reminds me of like little leaves or flowers or something, petals. I don't know. It's just so cute to me. Okay, this next style, I'm just basically gonna be making 2 like little scrunched up, kind of like the last style I did, like 2 petal little flower buns, I guess you could say in a sense, but not as much detail as the last style. But I'm just taking the same elastics and I'm just creating a little ponytail, but not fully putting the hair through the ponytail loop, just scrunching the hair up and just tying it with the elastic to secure it. This next style is just really like a little pineapple, half up, half down. I was really trying to do little different styles and not really do the basic common styles that are done with locks. But, you know, got to keep some simplicity within the video, so, or within the styles, I'll say. But, yeah, I like this too. This is a style that I wore a lot too with doing my locks. This style is just a basic little side part. I love when my hair is in the side part with the bang. I don't know, it just eats for me. This next style, I'm just gonna turn my head upside down because I'm basically gonna be doing like kind of like a pineapple, but just without rubber bands, just using the hair, wrapping the hair around to secure it. I love all the styles. I swear I do. This style just gives me like dashiki, queen things, you know? And for the next style, I just basically took that ponytail, split it in half, and just wrapped it around and secured it in the back. With a loop, like tying it like a ribbon, just without the knot. Okay, for this style, I'm going to be using a scarf, my little gold scarf. And I'm just going to take it diagonally because it's a square, turn it into a triangle. And then just take that in and fold it to the top, as you can see. And put it on the back of my head and literally just wrap my hair. And I'll secure it like in the back and just tuck the ends. I love a good hair wrap. The hair wrap is gonna do it for me every time, okay? Another queen things also, you heard? It was the little rat tail in the back for me. I left that down. That was kind of cute though. I did that accidentally, but it ate down. It ate down. Still cute. For the next style, I'm going to be using the same scarf, but I'm going to be making kind of like a turban hat in a sense. I'm just going to cross over the two pieces and kind of twirl them to make like this circle effect and wrap it around my head and just tuck them in the back and then take that little piece in the front and twirl it again just to create like a roll, you can say. I was feeling myself, honey. You see Queen Tings. You see her had to add the crown. For this next style, I'm going to take the same scarf and I'm just going to create not really a ponytail. Once again, just tying the elastic to get the hair out the way because I'm going to do like a half up, half down with the wrap. I'm just taking the back and putting it all behind my hair and then tying it up to the front. And I'm going to take the ponytail out and just loop it around that section that I basically have sectioned off in the elastic for the ponytail that I'm going to be doing the half up, half down with the wrap. And I suggest tilting the head down. It definitely will help. Tilt it back up when you're trying to basically create the pineapple effect with the wrap. Out of the 12 styles, which one was y'all favorite? Let me know. Comment down below. Peace, love, and dopeness.
Just copy the flex. They waiting on my new shit to drop. Where the fuck the toilet at? Sleeping on me crazy shit. Y'all thought I wasn't gon' double back. This life shit here amazing. I'm thanking God for where the fuck I'm at. Don't call if it ain't bout the rats. I don't fuck with all that chitter chat.